Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Muay Thai heavy bags that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to level up your training, whether you're a beginner or an experienced fighter, these options are sure to meet your needs. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Our number 3 pick is the Combat Sports Synthetic Leather 100-pound Muay Thai punching heavy bag. This bag is a solid choice for both amateurs and professionals, featuring a durable synthetic leather construction that's easy to clean and maintain. It measures 13 inches in diameter and 72 inches in height, offering ample space for practicing a variety of techniques. One of the standout features of this bag is its balanced design. It comes pre-filled to 100 pounds, so you won't need to worry about the hassle of filling it yourself. The heavy-duty chain included makes installation straightforward, and the bag's sturdy construction ensures it can handle high-impact training sessions. While it doesn't have the premium feel of genuine leather bags, the synthetic material performs admirably for its price range. This bag is versatile and well-suited for multiple combat sports, including Muay Thai, MMA, and boxing. However, it's worth noting that the synthetic material, while durable, may not offer the same longevity as leather options under heavy, daily use. Still, for its price point and convenience, it's a great option for gyms and home setups alike. Coming in at number 2 is the Fairtex HB6 6-foot banana bag, priced at $149.99. This bag is a heavyweight contender, both literally and figuratively. It measures 14.17 inches in width and 70.87 inches in height, providing a large striking surface for an array of techniques. Its unique banana shape is perfect for Muay Thai practitioners, allowing you to work on low kicks, teeps, and clinch strikes with ease. The bag is made from high-quality synthetic PU leather, which offers great durability and a premium feel. What sets the Fairtex HB6 apart is its sturdy hanging straps and swivel, which make installation a breeze and ensure stability during use. This bag is suitable for all skill levels, whether you're a beginner fine-tuning your technique or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills. The only downside is that it's on the heavier side when filled, and the synthetic leather, while excellent, doesn't quite match the longevity of genuine leather. However, its performance, versatility, and value make it an outstanding choice for serious martial artists. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Ringside 100-pound Muay Thai punching heavy bag. This bag is a crowd favorite, boasting a solid 4.7-star rating from over 800 reviews. Measuring 13 inches in diameter and 72 inches in height, this bag is built to handle the most intense training sessions. The bag is constructed with resilient power-hide synthetic leather, which not only looks great, but can also withstand years of heavy use. It arrives pre-filled to 100 pounds, making it a plug-and-play option for those who want to start training right away. The heavy-duty chain and swivel included ensure stability, while the long design allows for a full range of strikes, from low kicks to high punches. This bag is ideal for both professional athletes and hobbyists looking for a reliable, high-quality training tool. While it's not made from genuine leather, the power-hide material is a close competitor in terms of durability. The only con here is its slightly higher price point compared to some alternatives, but the performance and user experience more than justify the cost. This is the ultimate choice for anyone serious about their Muay Thai training. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.